So this is a launcher that was recommended down below in my comic section after my last video. And this is called the Total Launcher. It's available in the Google Play Store for free, and you can get the paid version for $8.99. Now this launcher is actually really dope, and the comment said it was the best for the Z Fold series devices. I'll be honest with you, I don't know if it's the best one for the Z Fold series, but it's definitely still a really cool launcher. So you have a couple different options. First off, when you go ahead and load into this launcher, you can either pinch the display or you can go ahead and long press to get to this screen right here. Now at the very bottom of the phone, you can see it does say edit off. So if you turn on edit mode, it lets you really customize this launcher as much as humanly possible. So first off, you can set the different margins of the actual phone. You can also set new pages. So you can also go ahead and go to menu, but that's not really about what the whole edit mode options. This is just more customization options. Again, like I said, the customization options is kind of endless with this. So if you go up to the very top, and I'm going to try to focus on this real fast, it does have a plus icon. Now that plus icon, as I'm trying to focus on this again and again, I am using my DSLR, not my iPhone camera anymore. I might go back to my iPhone camera because even my A7 III for some reason doesn't want to focus. So it says layout, widgets, and then graphs. So first off, your layout, you can change this to either a circular layout for your applications, or you can change it to your typical, what I have it as right now. You also have your widgets, which has widgets for every single application you have, which again, is very common for a lot of different, launchers. If I go ahead and go to the left-hand corner here, it does let me draw a rectangular area. I'm not sure exactly what this does because it doesn't really explain it. It just kind of popped up. So I guess that's cool. That's kind of dope. We have this lets you scale. It says objects on this page or pinned objects. So you can actually scale them up and down. So for example, you can see now I have a ruler on either side of my device. I can actually move my taskbar at the bottom. As you can see, it's moving as I move it up and down. So again, like I said, this is a very customizable launcher that literally lets you do almost everything you can think of. It really lets you customize it to your liking, which again, very, very good launcher for that. Now, when it comes to being is this good for a foldable phone launcher? I'm about to get into that part because there is one kind of drawback. So this is the launcher options. You have different launcher options that you can set it again. More customization options. I just launched into my system settings for some reason. But now let's go ahead and get into, we have theme, wallpaper, backup center. Let's get into opening up the phone. And there is a huge issue. So if you hold it in this orientation, you have to change a lot of settings. You have to change the margins and kind of work with them in order to get this to work in this setting. But if you move the phone the opposite way, which is this way right here, then you're able to actually get all of these settings to work perfectly fine. And it kind of just is perfect and made for this orientation. Again, like I said, I honestly just used it. I use this launcher for a day now. I've only used it in this orientation like this. Now, as you just saw, when I went ahead and went to the bottom right-hand corner, there's a hidden tab. Now, that hidden tab does actually have all your applications and lets you be able to utilize all your applications, which is really cool. So, for example, right here, I did go ahead and enable edit mode, and you can see this is all kind of janky and messed up. You can change the margins and make it a little bit more manageable. I'm going to struggle greatly in this video trying to do this because I'm not sure exactly how you set the margins correctly. Again, like I said, I've only used it in the other mode because I couldn't get this to work. I'm sure there's a way to get this to work. I'm sure there's a way to perfect this and make it work with this. And to be honest, after spending a day with this launcher, I can say it's a really cool customizable launcher. I'm just not too much of a fan of it personally. But again, like I said, you can actually customize this as much as you want and make this really, you know, fit your needs, right? But again, like I said, we're going to be looking at a lot of launchers on this channel, so this is just one of many that are available in the Google Play Store. If you have a certain launcher you want to see me review, tell me down below, and we'll go ahead and review that launcher next video. Thank you guys for watching. If you hit the like and subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next one.